How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. And today I'm going to tell you what's on the ceiling. Now, last couple of days I haven't been saying anything about what it is, just a little bit of things here and there, because we have a distributorship contract from two companies that are interested in this technology. Now keep in mind, they're not going to buy it. It's a distributorship contract. It gives them the ability for us to make it and ship tons of it to them. Now also to keep in mind, with this technology, as I said before, in order for us to get these contracts, NDAs have to be signed. They have to take the technology down to their facility, and it has to be tested. Once it's tested and they feel that it's up to their code and what they like, we get a license agreement contract, and then that's how it starts from there. So I'm going to show you what we have now. I can show you exactly what it is. Now mind you, within that contract, where this is a distributorship contract, they don't have the rights to buy the technology or keep it for themselves, which means if they did so, I couldn't show you this video right now. Now, this right here is the Eclipse Nano. This is a nanotechnology form of screen. It's designed with smart technology gain times 10, and it's designed to be used with laser projectors, these little laser and LED projectors. Now keep in mind, we're going to have this in 2 quarts. We're going to have this in 2 gallons, and we're going to, 1 gallon and 2 gallon setups. The 2-quart kits will come with a free wave projector, which you see right there, and then we'll have kits that'll come with both. It'll come with the star laser projector, and also it'll come with the wave projector. Now keep in mind, it's designed for dedicated theaters. I mean, if you want to paint this in your living room, it's up to you. It's a 1-coat application. It can be sprayed or rolled on. It's up to you. It's just amazing. Now, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you something, because, like I said, we'll have those out there that'll try to do the same thing that we're doing. So I'm going to show you the difference between our demonstration and any other demonstrations you see out there. As I said, you'll have some people trying to match our technology or try to mimic our technology. And as I said before, if they're not doing the same demonstrations we're doing or better, it's just junk. Alright, so let me show you right here. Now keep in mind, there is more light in the ceiling than I have actually hitting the sorry about that, the Eclipse right here. For those who want to know, this is an Eclipse Nano 4K and 3D ready spray on screen paint that will be available on the 16th. But look how much light we have. We have a light here, a light here. These are condensed lightings. I went out and I got some 100 watts of condensed lighting to actually add more light to the ceiling. Now usually, like I said, this is designed to be used in a dark dedicated theater setup, but I'm going to show you how powerful the gain is on this technology. Alright, so I'm going to come over here first and grab my remote control for the laser and turn it on. Not for the laser, for the LED. I think it's a LED. Alright, so we'll hit that. Alright, now we'll stand back here, and so you can see that even with all the light on and the environment, the image shows up right against the black screen. Alright, even with the light on, look at this. And this is light cascading around the 100-watt floodlight, or my condensed ceiling lights. We actually have floodlights in them. Alright, I'll come over here. And this is to show you how powerful this stuff is. Smart technology gain times 10. And you can see the image is showing up on the black surface with all this light hitting it. Now look at the white wall, completely washed out. And this is just to show you the advancement in this technology. And these are the kind of demonstrations we do that separate us from the rest. This is one of the demonstrations that they were doing when he did in the facility. They had lights on literally in the room, a lot more than this. And the screen show popped up. And keep in mind, on a cheap thing, you had a little cheap projector there. They had one, and then they had another high-powered for doing special effects on the ceiling, and it just boom, it just came up on the screen. I'm using this one over here, a smaller one over here, but they had one that was actually much bigger than that, and it came right up on the screen with no problem. Alright, now let's take out our lights. For those you want to see this, what it's going to look like when you use this in your dedicated theater setup. Sorry about that, it is late and I'm supposed to be in bed right now. So you can see the difference between the dedicated black screen paint and the white wall. It just looks so much better. Alright, so let's remove this right now from our projector. Of course, our projector sits back 10 feet. We're using our ViewSonic 1080p projector. So let's begin. Okay, so tomorrow we will be doing one with the let me turn my lights on here for a minute. There we go. Put my lights on. There we go. So tomorrow we will be doing one with the laser star projector. We'll do one with a nice space scene so you can see exactly how amazing that's going to look. Hey, check this out really quick. I'm going to show you something really cool. Come over for a minute. See if I can pull this up real quick. Let's see. Let's go back a bit here. Let's go back a bit. Let's go back a bit. Let's go back a bit. I'm going to show you this. Check this out. I've done this demonstration on a smaller screen. I just showed you what this looks like on a black screen. This is mine. This is a jet black screen. Jet black. Jump in front to show you that. Lights on. Lights off. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time. The dedicated screen paint will be available soon. So we're working out a few things with it. Like I said, we have contracts attached to it now. But yeah, it'll be available very soon. I'll show you the difference between here and here. Look at that.